This Explain Everything video is intended as an instructional resource to help teachers to more effectively conduct the lesson as described in the teacher notes in this unit. The same acceptable use policy restrictions apply to this video as they do to the rest of the curricular materials made available by AMTA. We begin by stating that the change in entropy in the universe is equal to the changes in entropy in the system and the surroundings. We distinguish system and surroundings by the fact that the system can undergo both thermal and structural change, whereas the surroundings undergo only thermal change. We have previously defined delta S thermal as Q over T. In the initial condition, energy has not yet moved between system and surroundings, so the change in entropy of the surroundings is zero. Eventually, the system returns to its original temperature, so its delta S thermal becomes zero. This energy is transferred to the surroundings. We determine the delta H for the system by measuring the flow of energy to or from the surroundings. To increase the thermal energy of the surroundings, the enthalpy of the system must decrease. Now, changes in entropy and enthalpy on the right side of the equation are in terms of the system only. We multiply both sides of the equation by the opposite of T to clear out the denominator. Finally, we define Gibbs free energy, delta G, as the opposite of T times the change in entropy of the universe. This gives us the standard equation.